Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Sunday. I just wanted to warm up the Evo. I haven't warmed it up in a while. I mean, these cars pretty much they stay in the garage most of the time. The GTR probably gets driven about maybe 3 times a month, maybe on nice weather. And then the Evo is not registered, so very, very rarely I just drive it around the block. This is probably like the last time I drove it, I think it's been, if I was to take a guess, like a couple months ago. But just wanted to start it up and show you guys how it sounds when I start it up. The battery it has is, it's a little old now, but it needs gas because obviously I haven't put gas in a while either. But here it is. Oh, or not. That's just like I thought. Not enough juice. So luckily the battery's in the trunk. Pretty easy access. The battery charger that I use is going to be this Schumacher. It's pretty easy to use. It's actually very easy to use. And anyway, here's the battery. We're gonna put it. See if it can put a slow charge. Set it for auto, so automotive, and then standard charge. Let's see what it says. So we'll have to wait for it to charge. We'll come back to this later. So let's check this out. Let's see. So it says it's green. Means it's 100% charged. Yep, it's 100% charged, ready to go. Well, let's unplug it and give it a try. See what happens. Well, here we go. Round 2. Let's see what it does. See, the problem is that this car's parked too much for too long and the battery drains, so we should be good now. Let's find out. Let's see what we got. Oh, nope, gotta let the the fuel pump. I can't even talk. Let's give it another try. There we go. She's alive. She is alive. The boost controller needs to be fixed. Yeah, so it needs gas though. I mean, it's on E, so we'll have to go put some gas. Cold start. Evo 8. A lot of these freaking cars with. They don't make it like they used to, I guess. Hey, Daya, what car are you in?
Evo Mitsubishi.
I can't hear you. What car are you in?
Evo Mitsubishi.
Do you like this car?
Kind of.
So do you know this car has a race clutch?
Yes.
Okay, the clutch is that pedal you're about to push. Do you think you do me a favor? I'm gonna ask you for something very easy. I can't see. I gotta be able to see a little bit. Can you push that pedal in all the way?
Okay.
Can you do me a favor and push it in?